explain what the F-35
Yeah,
is
sure. So
and
the
where it's from?
F-35 is a fighter jet that was designed in the 90s and the early 2000s. It's now the mainline backbone of the U.S. Air Force and naval projection power. But it was designed for a world where we have a globe-spanning alliance, and not for a world where our alliance structures are breaking. It was designed for a world where long-range drones didn't exist. So it has, from my point of view, insufficient range to carry out its mission. And that's before you consider that we're probably going to be losing basing rights as deglobalization becomes a geopolitical as well as an economic strategy. So if we were to be in a hot war today with either Russia or China, we're not going to use a whole lot of them because they can't reach where they need to go. The standoff distance just isn't there. We're going through a revolution in military affairs, of which long-range drones are just one aspect. We don't know how this is going to play out. So I don't want to denigrate the DoD for putting all their chips in this basket. They had to put them in one basket. We, back in the 90s, knew we needed some sort of fighter jet. And this is what they chose. But we've now invested about $2 trillion into a weapon system that we're really not going to get a lot of use against. You're against somebody like the Taliban, where there's no air defense, it's kind of overkill. And against anyone who does have air defense, it just doesn't have the range to function.